Oh, the power of green. Do plants need sunlight and water to grow? Plants make their own food. What is this process called? If we look at every plant, what color do they have in common? Even though flowers come in many different colors, there's always one color that is present in every plant. What color is always there? What is it? Let's look around. What color do we see that every plant has in common? I hope you said green. Plants are green because they make their own food from sunlight and water. It's called photosynthesis. It's a very long word. Light comes in, carbon dioxide comes in, carbohydrates come in, water comes in from the soil, and what it gives back is oxygen. So plants breathe in what we breathe out. Plants breathe out what we breathe in. Pretty cool. Let's investigate what makes the leaves green. Photosynthesis is a process. A process is steps to take to achieve or get to a result. The result of photosynthesis is chlorophyll. What color do you think chlorophyll is? Let's look at the process. We already saw a picture of it. Now we can talk about it a little more. Carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight enter the plant through the environment in the soil. Just like humans need food and water, plants need carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Then, like I said, the plants turn them into chlorophyll, which feeds the plant, like our blood feeds us. Best of all, plants provide oxygen. We breathe in what they breathe out, and they breathe in what we breathe out. So we need each other. It's a symbiotic relationship. So we know that what plants need, and we know that plants need to be in the sun to survive. We need to water them. So a solution to having pretty and strong plants comes down to placement. So we could argue that all plant needs to live is oxygen, water, and sunlight, right? But we forgot soil. Soil or dirt helps the seed to grow and holds the nutrients and water. Sunlight, oxygen, water, and soil are what a plant needs to survive. The process is called photosynthesis. Chlorophyll makes plants green. It's like plants' blood. Next, I'm going to have you break into groups and we're going to talk about how the world would be different if people and animals could make their own food. We're going to discuss as a class what you come up with.